Welcome to presentation. Here presenting Suni Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture.
Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our presentation. Here presenting myself, Sonia Yasmin, lecturer, Department of Agriculture, Milestone College. This is for your online practical presentation. Hope all of you are enjoying very well.
Name of the experiment: cultivation mushroom indoor. First of all, you have to know that about the principle of this experiment. The principle is mushroom is a nutritious vegetable. It's a fungus type plant. It can be cultivated indoor within 7 to 10 days. There are many different methods of cultivating mushroom. We know that fungi are responsible for so many plant diseases. So, all the fungi don't cause any disease. There are many fungi those who are beneficial for us. Mushroom is such a type of fungi which is fully suitable as food. It is tasty and have medicinal qualities. Actually, mushroom is a kind productive part of saprophytic fungi which are edible. Many people mistakenly thinking that mushroom are naturally grown toxic fruiting bodies, some fungi, are same thing which grows here and there. The fungi is mushroom is type of vegetable grown in safe and clean environment from the seed or spawn developed through tissue culture. Mushroom itself is a kind tasty food and also it increases taste of other food when used mixed with other food items. Taste of mushroom is similar to meal. Most delicious Chinese type and other meals of 5-star hotel levels are produced by mushroom. However, mushroom is used for cooking country methods for meal items like vegetables, fry, soup, pulao, biryani, noodles, shrimp and small fish preparations. Mushroom may be eaten as fresh, dry and powder. Now, for this experiment, some required materials are needed. First of all, seed or spawn with compost packet. The seed of mushroom is known as spawn. Number 2, blade or knife to cut the mushroom packet. Number 3, plastic ball. Number 4, sprayer to spray. Number 5, blotting paper. Number 6, polythene paper. These 6 items are required materials which are very much essential for this experiment. Now, here are the images of some required materials. First of all, spawn. I told you before, the seed of mushroom is known as spawn, which is very much essential to cultivate mushroom indoor. Now, secondly, blade is needed. Why blade is needed? To cut the mushroom packet in a T-shaped layer. Now, plastic ball to soak the mushroom seed with full of water. Here another some images of required materials. Sprayer. Sprayer is needed to spray mushroom house to keep much humidity to remain viable of mushroom seed. Now blotting paper is needed to remove excess water from mushroom seed. And now polythene paper is also be needed. Mushroom is top level crop when considered for nutrition point of view because it contains very essential food elements such as protein, vitamin and minerals at a very high level. Every 100 gram mushroom contains protein 25 to 35 grams, all vitamin and minerals 10 to 15 grams, carbohydrate and fiber 40 to 50 grams and fat 4 to 6 grams. The protein of mushroom is of very high quality grade. The protein contains all of the essential 9 amino acids. Eating of this protein reduces the danger of high blood pressure, heart diseases, obesity, because this protein does not contain any harmful fat. Besides, the fats of mushrooms help in increasing the activities of calcium and phosphorus in developing bones and teeth. Mushroom carbohydrates contain so many types of chemical elements which work for remedy from complex diseases. Vitamins and minerals create resistance power against diseases in the body. So, it's high time to make sure what are the serious steps or procedure for mushroom cultivation. Now, here are the points of procedure for mushroom cultivation indoor. Number 1. We collect packet of seed or spawn with compost from dependable source. Number 2. We cut the packet from the two sides in the same of a D letter. Number 3. We clean the packet's open part with spoon or blade. Number 4. We soak the packet in a bowl full of water. Number 5. We keep the packet upside down to drain the water from the packet. Number 6. We keep the packet in a shelf. Number 7. We have to spray the packet from outside for 3 to 4 times from second day. We need to spray on rainy days. Number 8. We soak the fence or jute around the house for minimum 2 times in water in a day. Number 9. We spray the packet if spawn grown in the packet 2 to 3 days. Here are 2 images of mushroom culture house. See, these are the cells of mushrooms which are kept mushrooms from the cell. Sufficient number of windows should be kept in the mushroom culture room for air and oxygen movement. There should be shadowed light in this house. Arrangements should be made so that the temperature of the culture house remains within the range of 20 to 30 Celsius. Mushroom favors high relative atmospheric humidity. The relative humidity of the culture house should be in the range of 80 to 90%. Enormous carbon dioxide is produced in the culture house due to respiration high population of microorganisms. The carbon dioxide gas is found to accumulate in the lower layer of the house as it is comparatively heavier. For this reason, the low part of the hatch and or weight should be kept open. Here is the images of cutting the mushroom packet. The mushroom spawn packet should be soaked in water after cutting in the correct method before setting in the culture house. The cut should be made along the shoulder and including corners making a size of 2 inch long and 1 inch radius. The white portion of both sides of the cut piece should be scratched with a blade. Then the packet should be soaked in water for 5 to 15 minutes. After soaking the draining cut the water, the packet should be placed on the floor or racks for its culture. Here is the image of cutting the mushroom packet. The mushroom spawn packet should be packed in water after cutting in a correct method before setting in the culture house. The cut should be made along the shoulder and including corners making a size of 2 inch long and 1 inch radius. The white portion of both sides of the cut piece should be scratched with a blade. Then the packet should be soaked in water for 5 to 15 minutes. After soaking and draining out the water, the packet should be placed on the floor or racks in this for this cultivation. Here are the images of mushroom. There are 3 types of mushroom. Number 1, summer seasonal mushroom. For example, straw mushroom, milky mushroom, reishi mushroom. Number 2, winter mushroom. For example, shiitake mushroom, button mushroom, simaji mushroom, and enoki mushroom may be cultured in winter. Number 3. Year-round mushroom. Besides, oyster mushroom can be cultured throughout the year. Here are the images of some food items which are prepared from mushroom. Some food items, that is fry, soup, pulao, biryani, noodles, shrimp and small fish preparations, vegetables which are prepared from mushroom and which can be most delicious, which are used in the 5-star hotel and most renowned hotels, and everyone likes them. Now it's time to know about observation. First of all, we keep the temperature of the room 25 degrees centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade and moisture 80 to 85%. Number 2, we collect mushroom when it matures after 5 to 7 days. A healthy typical human need to uptake 200 to 250 grams of vegetables per day. We usually eat 40 to 50 grams of vegetables, except potato, per day. It's very low considering the total requirement. For the reason we frequently suffer from different diseases due to deficiency of vitamins and minerals. The cultivable lands are reducing very rapidly in Bangladesh. Most of the lands are now encouraged for rice cultivation. It is very difficult to increase land for vegetable cultivation in the situation. Mushroom may be a very potential crop. Mushroom cultivation is commercially very profitable because mushroom requires low capital and labor investments. The invested capital can be recovered within a very short period. On the other hand, more production and profit and high market rates may be obtained per unit of land. So, the unemployed youth can find their job works very easily through mushroom cultivation. The family nutrition can be met side by side. It's possible to be benefited through the cultivation of mushroom in every house. Among 38,000 mushroom or fungus, there are 2,000 which you can eat. Among these 2,000, only 75 varieties can be produced artificially. Mushroom can be cultured within 10 to 15 days and thus it's very much profitable. Now we have come to the end of the presentation. Thanks to all for patience hearing.